Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jihan Faizi bin Munib Darobi, number matric A205153. Today I'm going to tell a story of the climax part of the story Abandoned by the Guy de Maupassant. The wooden farm gate react open. The universe stops spinning. Suddenly, we are trapped inside the suffocating, heavy air of that dusty courtyard. The overwhelming foul smell of manure and sour milk hit like a physical blow. The moment of highest tension has arrived. After a long years of dreaming, a mother is about to look into the eyes of a missing child. A man stepped out into the yard, but there is no beautiful quiet return. He is a peasant, bent nearly double by years of brutal, back-bearing manual labor. His face is a hard, wrinkled, yellowish wooden mask. He is drenched in sweat, caked in mud, and violently dragging a stubborn cow by a thick rope. In that split second, a devastating thought flashed through Madame de Cadou's mind. No, please no. This cannot be him. Where is my baby boy? What has our pride done to him? Spitting on the ground, yelling roughly at the cow. Confounded, what a brute! He brushes right past her, his dirty coat sleeve scraped against the fine silk of her expensive dress. He doesn't look at her, he doesn't recognize her. He treats his own mother like an annoying stranger blocking his path as he kicked open the stable door. She watched him vanish into the pitch black hole of the cow house. Her decades of old fantasy is dead. The emotion dominating the courtyard is pure, suffocating horror. Her son is a total stranger and she is left completely crushed by her own guilt. That's all for the climate part of the story Abandoned. Thank you.